and said some people were the sponsors of the protest. I know the sponsor of the protest. The sponsor of the protest is hunger. Let the president and his people arrest hunger, and there will be no protest. It's so simple. Let your policies that are draconian, that are bringing people into their knees. Now, this is the season to pay school fees. I know what all of us are going through for those who have kids in school. Now, this is a country where you wake up one morning, you can't plan because the government is so insensitive, so irresponsible, without having conversation with the National Assembly to bring in policies that destroys life, that destroys capacity to live, that destroys the opportunity to have what you call the pursuit of happiness. So why do government exist? Government exists for the welfare and security of the nation. Now we have no welfare, we have no security. So let's see, it's a breaking story you said. Let's hear what it is. I'll find out. Let the government face the welfare challenges of this country. Then there will be no protest. Nobody cares who is the president, really. If the president provides us an opportunity for us to pursue our own goals and aspirations. So we will, as a party, find out, like you have said, find out, this is a breaking story, and we'll take it from there. But like I said, there are issues that have to do with, let government, because indeed, if the government is about welfare of the country, and people are saying we're crushing, we're dying by your policies, it is strength, not weakness, to review those policies. It is strength. And then you must show leadership and saying, well, you're telling me to tighten my belt, and you're getting fat, you're buying new belts. This is a country that cannot pay 70,000 according to them for minimum wage. But this is a country that can buy a 150 million plane. And that's why I find the president trying to test how good it is. He's flying everywhere. This is a country where we can't pay 70,000. And this is a country where you spend 21 billion to renovate the vice president's house. This is a country where we have no money according to them. Where the president will buy a yacht. There's no water body in Abuja. So for the president to get to the yacht, he will fly 1 hour to Lagos. All right? That yacht has a 24 security protection, paid for. But to even access it, he will fly presidential movement to 1 hour to get in the flight, the support from the airport to get to the yacht. Come on. Until we talk about these issues, until the president to know that when he's in a position, he's a president, it is in our interest that he succeeds. Because in the success of the president, we can succeed. Nobody wishes him failure. But if his decisions are such, and the choices he made are such that it's crushing Nigerians, we will speak. Some of us are challenging about that. We have the realities of Nigeria, and where you are constrained by ethnicity and tribe is there. But this is, it plays into insignificance when you put that to the interest of the people. People are dying every day, sir. And you know that. You are the people, not I. You will know better than I do. Yes, sir.